guys, I hope you're all doing super well today. This past Thursday, my mom came over and she gifted me the most beautiful purse for my birthday, as well as an advent calendar leading up to my birthday. I actually had some ballet classes at 8:15 a.m. on Friday morning, so I got ready for those, had my morning coffee, listened to the radio station and the news on my Google Home, and then made a mess in the microwave of my breakfast. Ugh. This is what I had for breakfast in the morning. I also had a green juice from Dose Juice, and don't forget to use my discount code for 15% off. I'll put the link down below in my description box, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new here, you may as well hit subscribe. This morning it is 8:10 and I have a ballet class with a student at 8:15 until 8:45. It's a very short one. It's only 30 minutes. And I had to do that early because I have work later on, which is very exciting because today is the kids' recital at the studio that I teach at. I obviously can't film the kids at the recital, but I'll film everything leading up to it, how I get ready and things I'll be doing. But I'm very excited, and I'm excited to do ballet class first thing in the morning because it always feels nice to move very first thing. I'm a very tight person in the morning. Like even this stretch is just proving how difficult things are for me in the morning. So I just had breakfast and coffee, and I will catch you guys after this ballet class. It's been a while since I've vlogged just because my work schedule's been crazy since I took on a new job, which makes my work days much longer now, like from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m.
Like I mentioned earlier, I love moving first thing in the morning, and before I started teaching ballet classes in the morning, I used to do my workouts in the morning. Although I've missed doing certain workouts and incorporating different workouts in my routine, it feels good to be doing what I love very first thing in the morning. I think that's the key to happiness and health. You know the saying, you've got to find what works for you, and that's so true because you only have one life to live, so you may as well live it to your fullest and actually enjoy the things that you're doing. I feel so lucky that my career is dancing, and I never want to take it for granted again. So even when I'm teaching or I'm just doing my own class, I try to do it to its fullest and really enjoy the process.
Okay, so I have to go to Shoppers Drug Mart to pick up some things. I have to pick up some allergy medicine and my prescription. So I'm just gonna do a little quick face of makeup. Now I've been doing something that goes against everything I believe in. I have not been washing my face in the morning, partially because I'm out of good moisturizer. Secondly, I'm trying to do less on my skin. I think it's actually helping because I did the whole 10-step skincare routine, and I still love doing that at night to wind down because it's more of a self-care that helps me relax versus I think that actually does a lot for my skin. I don't know. I think it does a lot for my skin, but at the same time, I think the biggest benefit of taking a long skincare routine for me personally is being able to wind down at night. So in the mornings, usually I'm in a rush anyway, so I've just been splashing my face with cold water and using an SPF moisturizer. But this morning, since I'm really in a rush, I didn't do anything, and I'm gonna wash my face when I get back home because I'll be all gross and yucky from being out, probably sweating because it's a little bit sunny today, but it's also cold. It's like 12 degrees, hence the reason I'm wearing a turtleneck and jeans. I don't know what to do for lunch too because Steven's leaving today. He's gonna be gone for the next week. So I'm debating if I go grocery shopping because I know I won't have time to pick up my own groceries, and I know whenever he leaves, I'm always sad, and then I'm always sad because I forgot to go get groceries, and I don't know. I kind of get in the headspace where I'm like, oh, it's just me. I don't really need to get groceries. I don't need to cook a meal. But no, I need to cook myself a meal. You know, I can't just live off crackers and bagels, which I would love to, but because I'm lazy. So yeah, I need to go grocery shopping so that I don't just have crackers. And I don't even have bagels. I don't have anything here. I just have pasta. Much what I've been eating the last 2 or 3 days. So I'm gonna go grocery shopping very quickly. I'm going to go to Shoppers Drug Mart, and then I'm probably gonna do a ballet class and then get ready for recital. I also need to shower before I go tonight because I want to look cute before the recital. And I'm really excited, guys. I'm really excited. Let's go on a little day trip. My birthday's also coming up in a few weeks, June 19th, and I'll be turning 26. So as my mom did last year, if you guys follow me on Instagram /TikTok /YouTube, she made me an advent calendar for my birthday. So the first day she gave me soap. The second day she gave me these gloves because I have really bad eczema. So it was really sweet because when I do the dishes, I always complain that I don't want to do the dishes because my hands are always dry, and then she sees how much pain I'm in, so she got me some gloves. I'm going to go open number 3. I'm really excited for what it is, and I'll show you guys. This is the fit. I've got these jeans that I got a lot of compliments on at work because I wore a back pair of these for my work, and I got a lot of compliments on, and people were like, oh, where'd you get them? And I got them from my mom, but they are from Buffalo, and I know a lot of people on my TikTok like them as well. And then I'm wearing this sweater from H&M. It's kind of like a crop turtleneck, and then I have, in case I get too hot, my sports bra that's like a tank top, the Align from Lululemon. So this is the advent calendar that my mom made and gave to me. So the first day, like I mentioned, is the soap that I'll put in the B-roll here. The second day, these gloves from, I think, HomeSense. And now we're going to open number 3 because the advent calendar, just like a Christmas one, it goes to each day. It goes all the way up to 19. And I'm really excited to open 19 because I think I know what it is, but I can't open it because I know I'll ruin this prize. So number 3 is body cream from the Body Shop. I love this one, White Musk. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. And it's in a really big container. It smells so good. I'm so excited because I was out of cream and I was actually just going to go buy some this morning. So this saves me from buying some. Thank you so much, Mom. Just picked up my prescription and the allergy medicine. I think I'm gonna go to the pet store and get some food for Luna. I'm not that low, but just in case.
I was literally right next to Winners, and I've been refraining myself from going in because I don't want to blow my entire bank account on all the beautiful and amazing deals that I see in Winners, but I couldn't help myself and I went in. And the last time I actually went shopping, enjoyed it, and tried on clothes was probably in February. So it was really fun to have a girly day with myself, trying some cute clothes. I purchased a few, which I'll show you guys later. And this just kind of felt like a little bit of self-care. I tried on this dress that I thought I would love, but honestly, it was giving, I don't know, I looked like a 12-year-old, but also a bodybuilder. It was not the vibe, so I actually ended up getting this black dress. I really love this polka dot one, but it reminded me too much of Brown Cow. How You Now, Brown Cow. It was just not what I wanted to keep. I could literally spend hours in this store. I think I actually did. There's just far too many things that catch my eye. So I spoke to Luna beforehand, and she mentioned she felt bad about not being able to pay rent this month. And I told her that's fine as long as she gives me unlimited amount of cuddles and donates $2 to the Pet Value donation that they're running this month. I had to run away because I was actually going to take this entire cage of rescues home.
From running errands, it was pretty busy out, so I got home a lot later than I anticipated, but I thought I'd show you guys everything I got. Now at Winners, they had these gorgeous plates that I feel like are the kind of plates that they have at really fancy restaurants, like the really flat ones that are more like a platter. So I got some of those, and they retailed for $20 and I got them for $14.99. I'm really excited to use these. I think I'll use them at lunch today with Steven. So I got these. Also got, which you'll see in the B-roll, this shirt. I'm really excited about this because it's actually got a lot of padding on the inside, so you don't have to wear a bra underneath, and it's really comfy, and it'll be a nice, like, I wear around the house, but I can also wear it at the cottage when we go this summer. The next one I actually got is a dress, and I haven't decided if I still like it or not. It was kind of an impulse purchase, but since I'm going to a performance tonight, I'm actually going to be working, like I said, for the dance studio, and I'll be doing the recital stuff, but I want to look nice for it because it's in an opera house. So I bought this dress to wear for tonight if I still like it, and if I don't, I will return it. Obviously I won't wear it and then return it, but I'll just keep it in the house and return it tomorrow. I also got some snacks. These chips are so good. I'm so excited to have them today. Got this Cetaphil Daily Glow Cream because I'm out of moisturizer, which is another reason I haven't been doing a lot of skincare lately. And I also got some granola because we were out. I got some bagels, which I already put in the freezer. And of course, my favorite, Brookside. I also got cat food, but that's not very interesting for you guys. So I think I'm gonna go do a bit of a ballet class now before Steven's on lunch. The food for lunch that we're gonna be having is mostly leftovers. Then I have these veggie burgers from Eve's that are just microwavable, so we'll do those on the side for some extra protein. And I'll catch you guys when I get ready for the performance tonight. You guys probably saw one of my more recent videos of how I prepare my pointe shoes. I am not going to wear them for ballet class here just because it's too slippery on this floor. I find the gainer mindens are a little bit more, not sticky, but I'm just used to them on this floor now, and I don't want to hurt myself. So I'm going to do a very short ballet / pointe class before I have lunch with Steven. We'll probably go on a walk because it's gorgeous. And I can say that word out loud right now. You guys probably noticed I have Elsa with me. She is actually at her grandparents'. I'm working so much next week, like some 12-hour days, 13-hour days. And I felt bad having her here and not being able to properly like take care of her. So I'll be there for the entirety of the week while Steven is gone, because at least if Steven were here, he could take her out and stuff. But I'll be gone most of the days. So she's at her grandparents right now. That's why you guys won't be getting a lot of dog content. Now I can't find my toe spacer. Got it. So yeah, I can say walk out loud, but it makes me sad because usually if I said that word out loud, if I said walk, I'd freak out and run up here and kiss me on the face. So Elsa this week, but that's fine. She's better off being surrounded by people all the time. I was gonna wear tights, but it's so hot out, I was like, nah, I'm not even gonna bother.
It's always so interesting watching myself back on camera because I feel like I'm a totally different dancer on camera versus when I'm dancing. I feel like when I'm dancing, I'm being so expressive, so expansive, and then I watch the video and I look like a stick. I'm so stiff, and that's what goes in my head. I'm not saying like I'm awful and blah, blah, blah. I'm not trying to be too hard on myself, but genuinely, I look at myself and I'm like, that is a different person on camera. And I think it's really important if you're a dancer auditioning to try to record yourself, to try to see yourself through other people's eyes, not just in dance, but in life in general. Like, we're always going to see ourselves through our own eyes, so it's actually kind of interesting to see yourself objectively through somebody else's eyes, because we're always going to pick at ourselves for things that we know are there and that we're hypersensitive towards. But at the same time, we're also going to ignore other things. Like, I thought I was being so fluid and so expressive, and now I'm watching, I'm like, I'm so stiff. I need to breathe. I need to relax a little bit. I need to push into the floor more, etc. What it kind of reminds me of is when you take a voice note or you leave a voicemail and then you hear your voice back and you're like, who is that? Honestly, I can't even watch any of my vlogs or listen to any of my videos because when I hear my own voice, I'm like, that is not me. And it's the same thing when I watch myself dance. I don't know if that's imposter syndrome or whatever it's called, but it's a different person. And I have this kind of, I don't feel like I'm related to the person I'm watching, if that makes any sense. And I think a lot of content creators and dancers and artists can feel that way. It just doesn't feel like you sometimes. And I'm not saying it's not me, because it is genuinely me. I'm showing you guys my everyday routine, what I did in a day, blah, blah, blah. But at some point, there's some sort of disconnect, and it's very strange. Please comment down below if you feel this too, because I don't know. I was just thinking about it as I'm editing this. I'm like, I don't remember doing any of that, or hiking my hip up that much, or moving my ribs and shifting them that much that they're completely off my balance and being that stiff. I thought I was living. Anyways, comment down below if any of that makes sense. I'm so sorry rambling on like that if it didn't make sense to you, but I hope you enjoyed the montage of me dancing anyways. And that's the other thing, because I have such a disconnect between watching myself on camera and actually knowing myself and living in my body. I'm like, I don't really care how I look at some point, I'm just whatever. Younger me would have cringed at the thought of posting this online. I would have been so self-conscious, and now I'm just like, whatever. It is what it is. Just being transparent. This is me. I'm having fun, posting my silly little vlog, and I had to post this because Luna got caught in Steven's shirt, and it was just funny. I originally was going to wear that black dress from Winners that I just bought today, but it had shorter sleeves and I just wanted something a little bit longer. Even though this one isn't super long, I also wanted something that wasn't like strapless, if you know what I mean. So I changed this one also from Winners. And I'm gonna wear these flat shoes, and then I'm going to bring a pair of heels just in case I want to be a little bit fancier. The earrings I'm wearing are from Majuri. I just put a little bit of quick makeup on. And then the rings that I'm wearing, this one I got for Christmas from Steven. This one is from Glizzard. I'll wear this necklace from them. It has like a little heart
pendant on it, and I'll wear this because I think it goes nicely with the gold. I don't think I'll actually wear the sparkly ring just because it might be a bit much and I'll be backstage at the recital and I don't want the light to catch me too much. So not too much glitter for today, if you know what I mean. That looks nice. And then these rings, this one from Glitter, this one from Steven, and this one is my mom's graduation ring. Obviously not hair elastics, but I'll keep them just in case somebody needs them. These earrings from Maduri. This is, and I obviously just washed my hair, so it will hopefully dry by the time I get there and I'll brush it out really quick. To teach at dance. It's the last dance class of the season pretty much, and then I work at my 9 to 5 job, my non-dance job, right after, from 2 o'clock until 6 o'clock, so it's a really short shift. Oh, and then after I work from 9 to 1 and 2 to 6, I have to come back here and teach from 6:30 to 7:30. So it's gonna be a long day. I just got to work and I'm about to head in, but I have my Starbucks. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, I thought I would end the vlog where I started it, which is behind the gift box or the advent calendar that my mom made for me leading up to my birthday. I know I didn't vlog much and it's been really difficult to vlog in the last period just because I started a new job and I have a lot of days where it has been 12-hour work days. But I'm still trying to get as much as I can out for you guys. I like to hang out with you guys. That's ultimately why I'm doing this. I genuinely love creating content. I love editing all the footage and seeing comments and seeing all the love and support. So I'm going to, again, end the vlog where I started, which is opening today's gift. I left the house around like 8:30 to get to work on time, and it is 8:30 right now, so full circle day. Didn't vlog at work, obviously, because I can't, but today I think is the 4th. I opened the 3rd already, which was the cream. The 4th. Ooh, oh my goodness, it's a new shower gel, which I actually need. Speaking of which, I'm gonna go shower. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I will see you guys another time. Next week, I am done with dance because the kids are off for the summer. So I'll have a lot more free time to vlog and to actually film stuff. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and bye now.
The rest of the night, I just cooked dinner, watched some RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars Season 6. I made this delicious pasta with this Parmesan sauce, as well as this vegan chicken. I also had some leftover veggies from the previous night on the side. Guys, it is midnight as I'm recording this voiceover, so I'm going to go to bed because I have work tomorrow. Thanks again for hanging out with me. Until next time, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, and bye now.